Customer feedback tools versus survey software. Which one is better for collecting insights? Most people get this wrong by thinking surveys alone capture the full picture of customer sentiment. The surprising truth is that customer feedback tools and survey software have different strengths, and selecting the right one can transform how businesses gather insights. Survey software, like SurveyMonkey or Typeform, allows organizations to design structured questionnaires, distribute them, and analyze responses. For example, an e-commerce company can send a post-purchase survey to measure satisfaction and identify areas for improvement. Surveys are ideal for collecting quantifiable data and spotting trends, but they often lack context and may not capture spontaneous customer opinions. Customer feedback tools, such as Qualtrics, Zendesk, or Medallia, provide more holistic insights. They integrate multiple feedback channels, live chat, reviews, social media, and product ratings into a single platform. For instance, a SaaS company can track user behavior, support tickets, and scores together, gaining a deeper understanding of customer experience. These tools often provide analytics, sentiment analysis, and actionable recommendations. The key difference is scope versus structure. Surveys are structured and great for targeted questions, while feedback tools capture continuous, multi-channel insights and help identify underlying patterns. Many companies use both, surveys for specific data points and feedback tools for ongoing, comprehensive understanding. The takeaway is simple: if your goal is quick, structured input on specific questions, survey software works best. If your goal is continuous, multi-channel insights to improve products or services, customer feedback tools are better. The surprising truth is that combining both creates a feedback ecosystem: structured surveys for clarity and feedback tools for depth, allowing businesses to truly understand and respond to customer needs effectively.